brand new from Stamperia is Sir Vagabond. Now, Sir Vagabond also has a lady. She's called Lady Vagabond. But we're going to focus on the guy. Now, the story is that he is from New York, certainly a long time ago. And in this paper collection, now this is an 8x8 paper pad. There are 10 sheets, and there are 79 cutouts. Now, some of them start right here, and it's just gorgeous. I mean, there's wonderful artwork, but lots and lots of sayings too. So there's the back, and you can see that's old New York, and there's the back side. You can see that wonderful steampunk. As you can see, everything is kind of that steampunk look, but there is a wonderful story of him traveling from New York to find his lady in London. So this is part of the 79 cutouts. As always, the backside is a little bit plainer, so you have your choice. And lots of clocks, lots of compasses, lots of traveling themes are going on. You can see the maps, and this is more of the cutouts, just beautiful. And even more, as I said, 79 in total. Now, to go with this, there are 60 die cuts. Now, the die cuts are going to pull the same imagery, but these are on a chipboard that is very heavy, and you can see they are all die cut for you, and they are just gorgeous. Very, very, very unique in this whole ensemble. So 60 pieces, that just really gets you an awful lot. One great big compass, and wasn't sure it was a clock or a compass, but it's a compass. And you can see travel tour since 1870. The world is yours to explore. Vintage travel journal. We've got parts of maps. We've got all sorts of flying machines, which is really, really fun. Now, in addition to this, we have some stencils. Now, these stencils are measuring 6 inches by 7 1/4. This one is called Wallpaper and Compass. So you get several different looks there, which is really wonderful if you just want to do a piece of this onto a tag, a card, a page, anything. Now, this is called Vintage Travel. It's the same size and really nice, and I was happy to see there's California and Oregon, 2 states that I'm very familiar with. Then we have some rice paper. This is Vintage Travel. These are A4 size. Isn't that just gorgeous? And as you know, you can cut these up, you can use them as one piece, you can do whatever you like. And then this one is an old map of New York, and there is Long Island right there, the Atlantic Ocean, and you can see the labels also. So all of this makes an absolutely wonderful set, and it's all called Sir Vagabond.